Mesmerized. I patiently describe every moment as I prepare. On the speakerphone, you listen. I document each step with flair. I'm entering the shower with great anxiety, thrilled by the fact that you're listening to me. Are you mesmerized yet? The water falls like diamond chips on my once dry skin. I lather in strawberry scented shower gel over, under, and within. Stepping into a warm white towel, specifying all my parts, sprinkling peach scented powder, creating a work of art. Are you mesmerized yet? A low lotion on the limbs, enhancing my complexion. A sprit of Chanel number 5 behind my ears, in my navel, down my thigh. Are you enthralled yet? Slip on my dress. Let's make that a surprise. Awaiting your arrival while I fix my hair and eyes. 10 minutes later, the doorbell and an anxious holler. I open to see you standing sporting a forgotten hickey like a bright red collar. It looks like someone mesmerized you.